This is Group 5 and our presentation of the Pensacola Surgery Centers.
So for question 1, we were asked to find the future value of CD's value at 10%. And through our Excel spreadsheet, through the formula, we calculated it would be $55,000. At 5%, for question 1B, we calculated it at $52,500. And then at 15%, it was $57,500. When we reworked A and B with a different assumption with the 5-year maturity, we calculated the future value of CD's value with 10% interest at $80,525.50. For problem 2B at 5%, we calculated it at $63,814.08. And finally, at 15%, $100,567.86.
In question 3A and B, it's referring to $200,000 being available in a 5-year period. What lump sum would be needed to come up with the $200,000 for future value? So we solved for present value of $124,184. And then again, asking regards to if you only started off with a present value of $100,000 for future value of $200,000, what would be the rate? And the rate would be 15%. In question 4A, it is asking present value with payments of $32,000 with 5 periods at 10%, which should be present value expended would be $121,305. And then the second part of that is if it was for double that amount for 10 periods, and then we'd cut the rate in half with payments of $32,000, it would come up to $247,095 for the present value.
For question 4C, the future value of annuity with paying 10% annually, we came up with $195,363. For the other part at 10% compounded semi-annually, $402,492. And then the 4D for the interest rate required to accumulate $200,000 is 11%. With 4E, the annual payment needed at $32,759.
For question 6A, we were asked the present value of your annual lease at 10% annually, and we came up with $47,328.61. For question C, it asked if the renovation cost would be a good investment. So doing a present value lump sum discounting, we came up with $24,837. So since this is less than the initial investment of $40,000, it does appear to be a good investment. For question number 7, we were asked to accumulate $200,000, and it wants the loan repayment in equal amounts over a 4-year period. We came up with $63,094 for equal payments. Principal goes up as the time goes on, and the interest goes down as the time goes on.
And so those are our solutions for case 5, or as group 5 for the case number 12. And we are excited to interact with you guys on the discussion board and see what you guys come up with, and let us know if you have any questions.